Hi, do you shop at Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Sam's Club, Macy's, Staples? If you do, I want to show you how you can make money just by shopping at Amazon and Walmart, etc. Okay? So stay with me for the next few moments and you're going to see something very, very powerful. Now, before we get into all of that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, okay, so that whenever I drop a video, you will be notified that I have done so, because I've got a ton of information that I want to share with you. So make sure that you stay tuned, and I'm gonna share with you how you can make money just by shopping at those stores we previously mentioned. Okay, so here we are, and this is the page where you'll find Walmart. Okay, you'll find Amazon.com, Best Buy, Sam's Club. Now you can't see everything on the screen right now, but this is the page. And you know, for me, it's Walmart and Amazon. That's my top. You know, that's where I go, and most of the time it's Amazon. So I want to share with you how. And you know, if you do shop, I'll say this: if you do shop at Amazon, if you do shop at Walmart, guess what? You can get a free website, a free page like this. Okay, and then instead of just going directly to Amazon and Walmart to shop, if you do online shopping like I do, okay, then you just come to your page, all right, and you can shop on Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy and Sam's Club and TJ Maxx and Macy's and Staples through this website here. And why would you want to do that? Because you'll be earning some bonus points through this program, okay, and some bonus money as well. So I'm going to share all that with you in just a moment, so stay with me. Okay, first thing I want to do is go to I just want to go to Amazon and show you something real quick, and then I want to show you how you can actually make money just by shopping. You're gonna shop anyway, right? You're gonna go to Amazon, you're gonna shop anyway, okay? And the other thing, while I'm thinking about it, is that you can share your page, your website, okay, with other people, and if they shop on your website, okay, then you can make money through them shopping on your website. They're going to do it anyway. You know somebody that's going to shop at Amazon, okay? Why not shop on your page, okay? They're not doing anything different. It's not going to cost them anything, all right? They're going to spend the money at Amazon, or they're going to spend the money at Walmart anyway, right? Why not let you get a benefit from them shopping online? You know, you've got aunts, you've got uncles, you got cousins, you got all kinds of brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, aunts. Did I say? Yeah, you get the point. Yeah, everybody shops on Amazon and Walmart. Well, not everybody, but you know what I'm saying. Okay. All right. So what I've done, I've expanded my screen so that because Amazon's got this huge page. Okay, so let's go there. And here it is. See, Walmart's here, Amazon's here. Okay, then here you can see Sam's Club, TJ Maxx, etc. Okay, so let's go to Amazon. Okay, let me just see if I can straighten this out real quick so you can see the full screen. Okay, so here we are, and what I want you to take notice of, if you would, if you look right up here at the address bar, okay, it's got Amazon bestsellers, then it has All Solution. Okay, so we know that when I clicked on, I registered at All Solutions, so that's you know, being made aware of. But as you can see, the way I have it set up on my computer is it goes automatically to my account. So I'm going to my account, okay, and then all solutions, okay. So now when I shop, and look, I just shopped yesterday, okay, and I went through this process, and it's, you know, it's powerful. And guess what? I'm going to get benefit from shopping at Amazon, going through All Solutions Network page, okay. So now I want to show you how the money part comes in when you shop. You look, you're gonna, right, I'm gonna shop anyway, right? Might as well go through this page so that I can get money, and I'm gonna show you how that works. I'm excited about this because it's, you know, it's pretty powerful. Okay, so let me go there now. Okay, before I do that, and I'll make sure you see this. See, it says hello Terry. Okay, so here's my account. Yeah, I just want to double check, make sure I got that right. Then it says deliver to Terry. Okay, Roanoke. Okay, 24019. That's right. Okay. All right. So let me see. Let me get back. Okay, so here I am. I'm on my home page. Okay, my All Solutions Network home page, and I want to go to this link right here, and I'm going to show you some really vital information. And as you can see, it says new member autoresponder emails. Right after that, there's this link here. It says number 1A, welcome ASN earning. So we're going to go there. Okay, so what I want you to notice real quick, not going to read all of this, but I want you to notice something here for me, okay? And this is how you make money. You use the website, okay, for monthly profit sharing, okay? And the information is here, right at the link where I shared with you, okay? But, and then also when you share for monthly group bonuses, okay? So you can read all of this information, but I want to go for this video. I want to go here. It says, now check this out, because this is awesome. Also ask yourself, do you or anyone you know shop at Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, etc.? Do you know anyone who would not prefer to get paid for what they already do and spend every day? Almost everyone you know or can think of would love to have such an opportunity. You and every other ASN member has all of that and more. When you share, look at this free business, the doors to new unlimited income streams open to you. When you start sharing to give away this opportunity, okay, this is a free business opportunity, and there are multiple ways on this website that you can make money, okay? So let me go back here. It says when you start sharing to give away this opportunity to earn for free, people join for free, they earn for free. I'm going to say that again. People join for free, they earn for free. And every time they earn, you earn too. Think about it. Every time your members and visitors to their sites request even a free sample, makes any purchase of any amount, every time any of your members' sites sells any legal service, because we have that on this site, or funds a high-paying home loan, not only do they make money, but you do too. And you don't earn just from their actions, free or otherwise. When your members decide to earn even more by sharing and creating their own nationwide or even worldwide organization, you also earn from every activity of every member and every visitor to every site in that level. In fact, you earn from every purchase, sale, sample, trial, quote, and survey that is requested by every member and visitor to every site in your entire organization through up to a full 10 levels. Now, boy, that's a lot, okay? But the idea is this: you offer a free business to folk, okay? Many people, millions of people shop at Amazon. Millions of people shop at Walmart. Why not shop, okay? And if you do online shopping, why not shop online? Because you're doing it anyway and make money, all right? And that's the idea. If you're gonna shop anyway, you might as well make money. You might as well share this with people so that you can build an organization. People don't have to do anything. They don't have to do any selling. Okay, this is all free stuff, and you can make money just by doing what we're talking about today. I hope that makes sense. I'm hoping that I'm able to articulate it. I try to do as good as I can do, as well as I can. So hopefully I got that out today. But there you have it, folks. You can make money, okay, just by shopping at Amazon and Walmart, Best Buy, Sam's Club, etc., by using the All Solutions Network website. And if you would, if you think about it, if you don't want to get started with this, if you think about it, grab my link. Okay, you're gonna shop at Amazon, you're gonna shop at Walmart. Use my link. Go shop at those places, and I'll get the benefit. Okay, I'll get the benefit. If you don't mind helping me, I'll get the benefit. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description area of this video. And man, I hope you decide to get started in this program and start sharing it with other people as well. Okay. Well, thanks for checking out my video today, and be sure, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do that, because man, I've got some amazing information I'm going to be sharing with you, and you want to make sure you get to hear what's going on. So hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop another video. And in closing, I just want to wish you a very blessed, a very wonderful, a very magnificent day. Wherever you are in the world, you continue to be blessed. I'm Terry Brown. Bye-bye now.